This time on building terminology, the weephole. So the weephole is a hole or a gap left in the perp end of a masonry wall above the level of the flashing or at the bottom of a cavity to allow any accumulated water to drain out. Weepholes can also be introduced into retaining walls to let the groundwater pass through the wall and to prevent the development or the build-up of hydrostatic pressure behind the wall. So here you can see the weepholes in a slab on ground brick veneer building, and you can see the weephole there, which is the end of the brick, which is called the perp end, and basically they've just left the mortar out of that perp end, and the reason they do that is so any water that does pass through the brick, because bricks aren't waterproof, if they get wet for a long time, the bricks can the water will pass all the way through, run down the back of the brick, and then once it gets down to the bottom of the wall and hits this flashing will then direct it back to the outside of the cavity, and the water will make its way out of the building through those weepholes. That's why we need to have the weepholes at the bottom of the walls. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.